What had been a prevalent, dangerous structure on the bottom of the Long Island Sound in past years? Hi, I'm Rory McNish, and this is a Marine Minute Monday. With the collapse of the lobster fishery in the late 1990s, thousands of traps in the Long Island Sound were abandoned, leaving behind active derelict traps that can continue catching lobsters and other sea animals. This is known as ghost fishing. Since 2010, Cornell Marine Program, along with local fishermen, have been collecting these derelict traps to help clean up the Sound and reduce this marine debris. This effort is known as the Long Island Sound Derelict Lobster Gear Assessment, Removal, and Prevention Project. To date, a total of 16,610 derelict lobster traps have been recovered from New York waters, equating to 376.7 metric tons. All traps have been recycled. With an additional grant from NOAA, CCE continues to conduct trips with a goal of collecting 3,500 more traps from the Long Island Sound in 2019.